Magdalena Rabanian, and I'm here with my students from Junior 7, Mary, Emilia, Candelaria, Mateo, and Felipe. We are from Argentina, South America. I am a vet and a biology and science teacher at Colegio Las Cumbres, located in the city of Buenos Aires. In our school, our students are the protagonists of their own learning, and we constantly encourage them to search for their best selves. We have been in lockdown since March, so it has been truly challenging to face the product from our homes. But at the same time, it has been very rewarding. This student-centered global project is a great opportunity to get to know and share experiences with teachers and children from around the world and inspire them to make changes which can make the world a better place. It helps students to be aware of problems in different contexts, developing important values such as empathy, generosity, tolerance, respect, among others. I am convinced that the education is the key. Climate change is happening, everyone can make a difference, and our children are the protagonists and culture makers and creators.
When we started working with the climate change project with our teacher, she told us we would explore, brainstorm, and share ideas to take action, to become protagonists in this situation. We are not talking about the world our children will live in. We are talking about the world we live in. First, we investigate what climate change is, and we put all our ideas together. It caught our attention that climate change is happening much faster than ever before, and it can be explained by natural causes alone. So, after investigating the causes, we brainstormed the effects. We worked in groups and wrote down our findings in a Jamboard. We noticed some words appear in all groups: greenhouse gases, ranger wildfires, extreme weather conditions, rising sea levels, really bad news everywhere. In Argentina, glaciers extend through the country, but the most important ones are located in the Patagonian Andes and Antarctica. All these glaciers, except the Perito Moreno, have receded due to global warming.
According to scientists, global warming is predicted to have significant effects on Argentine climate. Temperatures have risen at a slower rate than the world average. However, these impacts have occurred in many areas. Floods in the central area of the country, longer droughts in Cuyo, intense rains and more frequent tornadoes in the north and the littoral, dengue and Zika epidemics in the main urban centers, retreat of Patagonian glaciers, acidification and increase in the levels of the oceans, etc. Climate change is a very serious problem. Our school is in the city of Buenos Aires, and all we need to do is open a window or cross an avenue to see each other around us. Air pollution in the city is caused by the amount of traffic in the streets. Also, there are factories which emit fumes that are not good for the environment.
We investigated the situation in the northwest of our country, which is formed by the provinces of Jujuy, Salta, Tucumán, La Rioja, Catamarca, and Santiago del Estero. The main problem there is deforestation. This is a process caused by the action of humans, in which the forest area is destroyed or depleted, generally with the objective of allocating the soil to another activity. Pruning the trees causes climate change. At present, our country is suffering raging wildfires in several provinces: Jujuy, La Rioja, and Córdoba. 900,000 hectares of land have been affected. Then we realized this was not only happening in Argentina. We had heard in the news about North America, Australia, and other countries suffering the same situation. While we were working with the Climate Action Project, our teacher, Male, contacted the teacher of Alpes San Javier, a school in Guadalajara, Mexico. We met online and shared what we had been studying.
Mainly, we discuss, share our ideas about how we can help the environment, what is happening in the world, and the consequences that bring about climate change. These are the actions we can do in our daily lives to solve this problem. We wrote down ideas that we can start doing right now in our daily lives to stop climate change. And the students from Alpes San Javier from Mexico found pictures that represent our ideas. For example, instead of using plastic bags, we should use recycled bags. Use bicycles instead of cars because they do not emit greenhouse gases. Separate the trash into organic, plastic, paper, and metal. Stop using so much paper so that companies stop cutting down trees. Plant trees. Stop throwing trash on the streets.
Before saying goodbye, we wrote in a Mentimeter the things that motivate us to take care of the earth. For example, future generations, animals living a longer and healthier life. Finally, we would like to share with you our conclusions on this topic. We all have similar problems, causes and effects, no matter where we live in. Same storm, different boat. We must all come together to make solutions happen. A small action can make a huge change. Together we are stronger. We can all do something to make a difference and make the world a better place for us all. Children need to set an example. We need to stand up and be culture makers, creators. We need to make the change.